The advanced cash world is consistently expanding and new affiliations and errands are emerging in this eccentric era. Standard cash attempts to be conveyed closer to the advanced money world. Others are wanting to make everything decentralized and limit their one of such decentralized amassing stages is JASMY. JASMY hopes to use the trap of things IoT stages made to store data in a decentralized association. JASMY is the important authentically pleasing Japanese crypto coin, and that infers the coin is the essential recorded on the Japanese computerized money exchange. Japanese guideline thoroughly controls advanced cash trade subject to money-related organizations association evaluations. Fundamentally, one can use cryptographic types of cash to pay indistinct individuals. There are no limits on purchasing and placing assets into computerized monetary standards. Resuscitating the truth is that JASMY values data. A greater part runs government and plans to lay out an environment where data can be exchanged securely as assets through their secret individual data extra rooms PDL as opposed to being wholeheartedly accumulated and taken care of in brought together structures for various purposes. For instance, stored assessment. The present JASMY coin cost is 0.009604 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of 58,985,907. JASMY coin is down 0.89 at this point. The continuous CAN market cap situating is 379 with a live market cap of 45,666,981. It has a flowing stockpile of 4,754,930,780 JASMY coins and a greatest supply of 50 billion JASMY coins. According to Coinbase, the expense of JASMY has fallen by 0.67 in the past 7 days. The expense declined by 129 at this point in just the earlier hour. The expense became by 129. The continuous expense is 0.522108 per JASMY. JASMY is 99.81 underneath the magnificent high of 27,188,514. The progressing surrounding supply is 4,754,930,779,737 JASMY. The advanced cash world is consistently developing and new affiliations and exercises are emerging in this eccentric climate. Regular cash attempts to be conveyed closer to the advanced money world. Others are wanting to make everything decentralized and limit extensive. One of such decentralized amassing stages is JASMY. JASMY hopes to use the trap of things IoT stages made to store data in a decentralized association. JASMY is the fundamental genuinely predictable Japanese crypto coin, and that suggests the coin is the essential recorded on the Japanese computerized cash exchange. Japanese guideline rigidly regulates advanced cash trade subject to money-related organizations association assessments. Basically, one can use computerized types of cash to pay obscure individuals. There are no restrictions on buying and placing assets into cryptographic types of cash. Resuscitating the truth is that JASMY values data. A larger part leads government and plans to lay out an environment where data can be exchanged securely as assets through their classified individual data extra rooms PDL as opposed to being uninhibitedly accumulated and taken care of in concentrated structures for various purposes. For instance, consumed assessment. The present JASMY coin cost is 0.009604 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of 58,985,907. JASMY coin is down 0.89 at this point. The continuous CAN market cap situating is 379 with a live market cap of 45,666,981. It has a streaming stock of 4,754,930,780 JASMY coins and a most extreme supply of 50 billion JASMY coins. According to Coinbase, the expense of JASMY has fallen by 0.67 in the past 7 days. The expense declined by 129 at this point. point in just the earlier hour the expense became by 129. The continuous expense is 0.522108 per JASMY. JASMY is 99.81 under the unparalleled high of 27,188,514. The continuous streaming stock is 4,754,930,779,737 JASMY. This JASMY worth figure revolves around the nearby identification of the JASMY affiliation, the JASMY coin, and looks at the expense advancements buy and buy contents hideaway 1. What is JASMY coin? JASMY 2 current JASMY coin cost 21. How to buy JASMY 3 JASMY applications 4 JASMY particular examination 5 JASMY worth estimate by power areas 51 wallet monetary sponsor 52 digital compress 53 percent prediction 54 cryptopolitan 541 JASMY worth conjecture 2022 542 JASMY worth conjecture 2023 543 JASMY worth estimate 2024 544 JASMY worth estimate 2025 545 JASMY worth assumption 2026 546 JASMY worth assumption various associations that usage integrated servers. JASMY uses decentralized servers to help store and interaction data. The decentralized association used for this item is IPS Interplanetary Record Structure. Juan Bennett is the Interplanetary Report System. IPS creator. One more show to make the web speedier, safer and more open. And Filecoin, a cryptographic cache supported limit association. It's interesting to observe the IPS is the decentralized storing of WEB3 sorted out more here for specific heading. The JASMY network depends on trust JASMY necessities to create relationship with their clients and associations that use their organizations arranges frequently. They similarly need to ensure that all confidential archives are returned to their genuine proprietors. JASMY wants to develop that information opening and position itself in the market as a basic reaction to the fourth current surprise issue. One benefit of using the JASMY stage is that you can, without a doubt, pick how to deal with your as of late saved individual letters personally. If you want, you can eradicate it. JASMY coin is the power identification of the JASMY affiliation. JASMY coin gives benefits concerning exchanging portions in that limit. It has attracted a lot of possible monetary patrons all over the planet, with JASMY being perhaps of the best endeavor as of now. Could we look at the continuous expense bit by bit guidelines to buy JASMY? Starting 9 October JASMY coin. JASMY was made open on Coinbase and in the Coinbase Android and iOS applications. Coinbase clients can now trade, send, get or store JASMY in most Coinbase maintained regions, with explicit exceptions exhibited on each asset page. Trading for these assets is moreover maintained on Coinbase master. Clients can seek after a Coinbase record to buy, sell, convert, send, get, or store Coinbase Android and iOS applications. Coinbase clients can now trade, send, get, or store JASMY today. The particular setup is in